Here are the keys to your brand new ride. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Oh. Moment of truth. There we go, clip it in. All right, turn them on. All right, let's get these factory shocks out of here. No problem, these bolts are pretty tight, but they are coming off. They're pretty tight, but they are coming off. We are swapping out the stock suspension for air struts. Now we'll plump the lines to the tank and compressor in the trunk. Let's line it up. These piano black pieces create a flawless contrast. Notice there is no silver or chrome left inside. Every clips in with absolute precision, giving this matte black Civic a truly custom high-end feel. All right, lift it up and out. All right, watch the door frame. Got it, it aligns perfectly. That's locked in. These seats look absolutely incredible in here. Exterior and interior builds are fully complete. These factory wheels are the last remaining stock part.